So now at this time in our series, let's take a look at what's involved when we have a prompt that's actually too long for Copilot. Let me show you what I mean. Notice here in the chat, I'm going to paste in a prompt, which is an advanced prompt. And notice we have a message, the maximum character limit reached. Okay, what do we do in that situation? One option, of course, is to split up the prompt. But you may find that that's a little bit clumsy and not the best way to approach the situation. So here's a better solution. Up at the top, notice that the notebook is there. When we select that, we now have the opportunity to offer a much larger advanced prompt to Copilot. So we'll do that. Once again, we'll just use Control-V on the keyboard, and now we'll submit it. It'll take just a few seconds. Copilot's going to go over this advanced prompt and give me the response, and it's incoming now. This is great. It's perfect. Just what I was looking for. Now, in addition to these longer prompts, we have the capability to use our microphone in the notebook, along with adding an image to our advanced prompt in the notebook. So lots to do here. It looks like it finished up here, and I could get going in answering these questions as part of this prompt. When you need to start over in the notebook, just head over here to New Topic, and then you can just select that, and you're ready to start again. So I hope this helps you know what to do when you have too long of a prompt. I hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.